Finally, we have superpowers!
Ladies and gentlemen, we have wandered into an electrical storm. I suggest we all stay away from the trees.
Sure, no problem. It's not like we're in a forest.
Boy, Mother Nature sure is in a bad mood lately.
Good thing we're all here to help each other.
Oh, like I always say, stay close, stay alive.
There they are! Right out in the open. How stupid can you be?
Come on, kids, dive!
Everyone, try not to create any sort of friction.
No friction. Got it. Yup, cool beans. Friction is what now?
Oh, no.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Hurry, Granny!
Don't you hurry me. I've been struck by lightning more times
Granny!
than you've had hot breakfasts.
Peaches!
Julian, don't move! I have an idea.
I'm coming, sweetheart! Julian, why aren't you helping her?
Wait, no, Manny, she...
What are you guys doing?
Helping?
What would not helping look like? Hey, zap heads! Manny, get ready to run!
Come on, let's go!
Everybody make it?
Sierra, Manny, Crash, Eddie, Ellie, Granny. Ah, shoot, I'm out of fingers!
Buck. Where's Buck?
Did you hear that? A baby! There's a baby in there!
Buck, wait! It's too dangerous!
He's gone. I can't believe it.
Don't know how we'll go on without you, Buck. All right, let's go. It's Buck!
I got you. Don't worry, I got you. There you are. There. Say hi, everyone.
Huh?
God, isn't she gorgeous?
How can he tell it's a she?
Oh.
Such a good little boogie-woogie. Mwah, mwah.
Just to be clear, that's a pumpkin, right?
Well, I mean, she has a little jaundice, but I think she'll be okay. Yes, you will. I think I'll call you Bronwyn.
Little buddy, we need you back on planet Earth while it's still here, okay?
Right you are, mammal. Who wants to save the world from the fiery asteroid? You do. Okay, mammals, let's stop here for the night.
Stop. What about the whole end-of-the-world collision thing?
Oh, asteroid's still a day off. And, like my grandfather used to say,
Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Purple sky at night, who moved my foot cream? I need my foot cream!
Grampy was a confused and angry weasel.
How funny, Jay.
Stop. You're funny. Take it easy, my brother from a tiger mother.
Hasta mañana, J-Man.
What was that?
What was what? Oh, that. It's a cool way to peace out. Julian taught it to me.
Well, I'm glad the apocalypse is bringing you together.
He's a good kid, Manny. I like his philosophy. Give him a chance. Bond with him.
So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up,
Bonding! That's a good idea.
Oh, right. Gotcha.
You take Julian. I got an idea for Peaches.
Hey, bro kid.
Oh, hey, bro, Dad. You here to rock out? Ba-boom, 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 ba-boom.
Okay, instead of that, how about a game before bedtime?
No way. You want to play a game with me? Wow. What is honored times 1,000? No, times 1,000,000. Because whatever that equals is how honored I am.
So, is that a yes?
Yes, that's a yes. It's the most yes. It's like yes with a bunch of S's, so it's like yes.
Great. I'll see you on the ice. Happy?
Oh, boy.
Do you think you're ready to go out roaming on your own?
I won't be alone. I'll have Julian.
Sure. But with asteroids flying, no home to speak of, and absolutely no support system, do you think you'll be ready for this?
I'm a little baby.
Imagine you're in the woods looking for food. and your baby gets sick, what do? No! Jiggly makes her feel worse. Oh no, now your older toddler has a skin knee and a stuffy nose.
Mommy, hold me!
Now your babies are crying, you have no food, and then you come face to face with a rabid beast.
I am a rabid beast who gives rabies to babies.
And there's an arsonist on the loose. How are you gonna handle all this without our help?
Peaches out.
That's just the easy stuff. There's a lot more we still need to cover.
Baby made a poopy. I'm a method actor, so I will need to be changed.
Oh, so close! These pucks go fast.
Just watch the puck all the way into the stick.
Oh, I did it!
Too bad you and Peaches are moving away. If you stayed, we could do this all the time.
Okay, show me the heat. I'm like a hockey ninja. Hey, Peaches! Looks like you've got a new hockey partner to replace your dad.
Ow! Oh, no.
Julian!
Such a mystery why he wants to move far away.
I didn't mean to do it. It's not my fault the kid has no reflexes.
How could you do that to him? I thought you liked Julian.
I do like Julian.
Well, you don't act like it. When you look at him, all you see is an obstacle, or worse, a target. But I see a sweet guy who's trying his hardest to impress you.
Peaches.
No, both of you just stop. If we survive, I'm still getting married and I'm still leaving home, whether you're happy for me or not.
Don't give me that look. She said both. That means you too.
And this widow asteroid went wee, wee, wee all the way home. Because Daddy and his friends saved the world. And if that pterodactyl don't fly, Daddy's gonna blind his remaining eye. Sweet dreams, little one.
Lucky pumpkin. Must be nice to have a loving father. Whew. Okay, here we go. You can do this, Roger. Yay! Kidnapping. Look, I'm sorry. It's not me. I would never do something like this. It's my father. He's crazy.
I can't believe he pulled it off. Way to go, dum-dum!
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Whatever. I could have done the same thing.
Well, well. Looks like you're not stopping that asteroid now, are you, Weasel?
Huh?
That's not the weasel. That's... I don't know what that is. Whoa. Is it my time, Angel?
Time for what?
I'm coming to the light. Can't wait to see all those dead relatives I hate. Woo! Get it off, get it off, get it off!
Go help your sister!
But Dad...
Ah! Demon Angel! Yeah! Mess with Granny, get knocked on your fanny.
And that's how it's done.
Hello? Angel? Am I in heaven? It's so dark and squishy in here.